the LG U20 user and today I'm getting the video with the Samsung Galaxy A12 for Metro by T-Mobile. So the Galaxy A12 is not here at Metro. This is a virtual smartphone. So do keep that in mind. So this Galaxy A12 is over now. And it does have some decent specs of what it is. So the Galaxy A12 right there. So pretty nice looking phone there. It's really black, so a lot better than the blue color that Cricket has for the A12. So quick specs on the Galaxy A12 is 5,000 mAh battery, 6.5 inch HD plus infinity read display, 16 megapixel quad camera setup in the back there. So y'all guys see a quad camera in the back. That's very nice. That's the A12 is $189.99 for retail price, but you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys get the Galaxy A12 for free. So not too bad for a free phone. So let's go ahead and check out the Galaxy A12. So on the top of the y'all guys have the 10-watt max with the front facing camera. Power and 9 piece on the left side of the phone there. That's on the A12. Is a 1 piece power button. And take it to the back now. You guys get both cameras in the back. Both cameras coming for Samsung logo, and it looks like you have like a matte finish to the back there, so it should resist fingerprints a little bit. So not too bad. And then the camera just stuck up there just a bit on the back, so do keep that in mind. And I think your micro SD card and some card size on the left side of the phone. Maybe one more something. It's kind of hard to tell with this black color. It's kind of hard to tell, but micro SD card and some card size on the symbol. And then on the top of the Galaxy A12, they guys have the noise cancellation microphone. That's pretty much it on the top there. And then over to the bottom here, they guys have headphone jack, speaker, and your type C charging port. I know it's hard to see on camera. I know it's hard to see, but nothing I can do with that. And the back has like it looks like a two-tone color scheme there. So the top of it's like red, green, and the bottom is like American or whatever. So yeah. So as I said, the Galaxy A12 has all the smartphone essentials you need to keep you connected both to people and things you love at an incredible price. So like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so they keep that in mind. So you guys will have a 5,000 mAh battery with a fast charging force. That's very nice. 6.5 inch HD plus infinity read display. So you'll have a 720p display. Quad camera system on the back, 32 gigabytes of storage, expandable up to 1 terabyte with micro SD, MediaTek Helio P35 processor. So, yeah, pretty decent specs. They're decent, not terrible, that can be worse. Like I said earlier with the Galaxy A12, for sure you're gonna switch to Metro. So, if you guys are looking to switch to Metro and you guys want a free phone, the A12 was a nice looking phone. Pricing are decent, so why not, right? So the Galaxy A12 has 4 cameras in the back. You have a 16 megapixel wide angle 16 megapixel wide angle, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the back. That's a okay thing or whatever. MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor, 6.5 inch HD plus infinity display, 32 gigabytes of internal storage. Expandable up to 1 terabyte via micro SD. 5,000 mAh battery, but fast charging on it, so very nice as well. So y'all guys should get great battery life in this phone because this one has a 720p display. So y'all guys should get great battery life on this one here. So watch it back and said, wow, watch your photos and videos come to life. Samsung Galaxy A12's push edge-to-edge display. Like I said, this is a 720p display, but it should be pretty decent. Multiple cameras, multiple ways to shine. With 4 cameras on the back and 1 in the front, Galaxy A12 gives you the premium mobile camera experience you crave. Snap more, do it less. Enjoy 30 GB of built-in storage for your best pics and videos, and then some. There's a video on the Galaxy A12 using to I'll go ahead and check it out for yourselves. Specs is 13 GB of RAM with about 19 GB of available to the user. 6.5 inch HD plus NVIDIA display, so that's an LCD display there. So it's not AMOLED or nothing like that, so keep it in mind. 4 cameras went back at 16 megapixel wide, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel 4K depth sensor camera in the back. 1 terabyte micro SD expansion, mobile hotspot, 34 hours of talk time, Android 10 with one UI 2.0. So not too bad. Like I said, we got the MediaTek processor here, the MediaTek Helio P35 MT6765 octa-core processor. Galaxy A12 is 7.23 ounces. Here are some accessories for the Galaxy A12. If you guys want to get your accessories for the A12, go to Amazon and type in Samsung Galaxy A12 to get your accessories there. So, there you guys have it. If you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone, the Galaxy A12 is a good one for you to check out. This is a very nice little phone. Pretty decent space for what it is. And so, yeah, the Galaxy A12 is now here at Metro, which will go up for $189.99 for a retail price, or free if you guys switch to Metro. So if you guys want a free phone, Metro is giving you this one for free when you guys switch over. So it's pretty cool, and not a bad little budget phone now. So it looks very nice. So yeah, it looks better than the blue color on the A12 for Cricket. It looks a lot more better than black. So there you go. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it has been a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.